Hello all, how are you doing today? My name is Danielle, also known as the Queen Bee. Thanks for joining me on my channel if you're new here, and if you're old here, hi. I thought I would do a quick unboxing today of a diamond painting. I know it's been a while since I've done anything with diamond painting. This one, oh, I thought I undid everything on it, but they put tape on it, on the, carefully, there we go. I like to take it out of everything so it's not all loud and obnoxious. It's my very first Huacan, and it of course comes on the roller. My cats love these. Do you see this, Soph? Just like, that could be interesting. Anyway, it's a religious one that I'm going to give to my Nonna. Here's what it is. It's the classic Catholic looking Mother Mary. It's not my typical, style or anything, but it's a gift. And she's pretty religious, so that's why I'm doing that. I am just gonna try to do this. Just peeling back the paper gently. Tape. Okay. Oh, that's like the starburst at the top. There we go. So this is her body right here, and then this around her. That's all the starburst cloud. Like the finger of God or something pointing at her. I don't know if there's a technical name for that particular part of this picture. I got it because it's like a classic image. If you've been over to the Vatican or anywhere like that, you see a lot of Mary looking like that, with like the clouds around her and the sunshine poking through, like when Angel Gabriel comes and things like that. I admit the bulk of what I know about Catholicism is from going to Catholic school, which in and of itself was a punishment. So I don't remember a whole lot, but what I do remember comes from catechism. Alright, so there's her feet. So yeah, there's her gown right there where my finger is, and yeah, that's the bottom of it. It's a nice size. It's how big? Aw, I didn't make a note of it. Let's see. I'm gonna put this paper back. .30 by 40 centimeters. So it's respectable. It's pretty big. I forget what that works out to in inches, but it's like a, I don't know, probably an 11 by 15 maybe. So yeah, it'll be a good size. In it, of course, are the diamonds, and there's lots of really pretty blues and creams, which will be good. And of course the traditional pen and wax, and oh, I'm wrong though, it came with extra attachments. Hang on. This is a square, by the way, square drill. And of course, the Huacan pointy tweezers that everybody raves about. These look like they're good. Now, the pen. It's got, of course, the default single placer, but it's also got this, I think it's 3. And this one looks like 6, maybe. Oh, I see, it goes down here. I've never used a pen like that. So, yeah, I think that's 6, I want to say. I've seen them in 9s too. Some have them in 9s. But it's got the grippy on it, which I like. So that's funky. Got something new today. And it's got the tray with funnel and a lot of wax, which is nice. Very good. The other thing that's kind of awesome is I got this a little while ago, finally. I ordered this on AliExpress just like I did my the kit that I showed you. This took forever to get here. Had I known that, I would have just gotten it on Amazon. These are those square dealies that they don't open all that easily, which I guess is a good thing. There we go. You didn't see that. You didn't see me open it with my teeth. But there you go. They come in rows of 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 times 7, what, 28 of these cubes to store my colors in. I also have other containers too, but I thought I would try these. And I'll make little labels for them to indicate what color they are and all that. I thought I would store these in here for my first kind of project. And they're already bagged because they're Huacan, so they're already in Ziplocs. But yeah, there you go. I've got this painting finally that I can work on for my Nonna, because I like making her stuff. Now that she's older and she can't make a lot of stuff, but she loves stuff that's homemade. Perfect. So that's my video for today. I hope y'all are having a good day. I will see you very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!